Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Beebeecraft unboxing, and this is where I showcase some products for Beebeecraft. If you haven't seen them, all the links will be below to Beebeecraft, the products I showed today, and they even have a YouTube program where if you have more than 100 subscribers, you can be eligible to show products for them as well. They give you a allowance, you pick products, and then you do some an unboxing and to make videos with the products. Alright, what else? Yeah, checkout. You can get 10% off using my coupon code VELITA10. And yeah, check them out. They have oodles of craft supplies to look at, especially beads. They got some gorgeous beads. And I haven't had any problems with Beebeecraft. They send all their products well packed and in a very timely manner. And make sure when you go in there you make a love list, make an account, make a love list, because you're going to want to stash away so many products to look up later, and that's the easiest way to get back to them. Alright, I'm going to show you what I got in here this time. I only got 3 products today, and I wanted to have a little go at a few different things. This is a darning loom kit, and if you've seen the Speedweve or the darning looms and things like that, this is what this is. And it connects onto here, and you put your fabric on here, it connects onto here, and you put it all together with rubber bands. But I will do that in a separate video. But this is what you get with it. The wooden base here is 14 centimeters across, or 5.5 inches. That's what you put your fabric on. What you weave with is this section here, and that measures approximately 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches. Okay, so that would be the width of your weaving. Okay, so you get that and all these bands that connect the weave loom to the fabric and everything. There's quite a few bands in there. You only need a couple to keep it on, so you get a good amount of the bands. You also get some stitch markers. That's if you want to make some sort of pattern or hold some of the little loops while you're doing things or taking it off. You also get a long needle to weave with. These are the little caps that go on these ends. So there's a couple of spare ones there. Okay. There's a little latch hook, and you also get a pack of darning needles, and they're all in different sizes, which are very, very handy to have. So that is what is in this set. There's also a little instruction sheet, which we'll get into in one of the videos, how to set it up and all that sort of stuff. Now, I've never used one of these, so it's going to be fun to check it out and see how it all works. Yeah, just keep in mind that it'll only weave that width for you, but you could go long if you wanted to. So in a separate video we'll check out that. That'll be fun to look at. Right. The second thing in my package was this gorgeous pack of embroidered ribbons. Aren't they gorgeous? I'll just have a look at, I think there is, how many's in this pack? Let's have a look. There are 10 different colours in here, and you get 20 yards. So you get 2 yards of each. Aren't they gorgeous? I love this little stitching edges on these. So you get 10 different colours. Let's have a look at them. Beautiful white one. It's a cream coloured one. And they've all got different coloured little flowers on it. A yellow edged one. Dark blue edged one. Nice. And a purple edged one. That one's pretty. These are gorgeous. Love this one. It's red with the yellow edging. A light blue edged one. Pink edged one. And this one's a fun one. A really nice bright lime green edged one. So they're all embroidered ribbons. Aren't they pretty? They're so pretty. Alright, my last product in this unboxing is in a big packet. So, and I've already had a little sneak at this. So I'll show you what's in here. This is a set of Hexagon templates, and you get 5 in the set, and they go from 2 inch, 3, 4, 5 and 6 inches. Okay, and when I say inches, it's measured by that edge, one like flat edge. Okay, now when you get these, like I said, I've already had a little look at these. They all, you know, they're all separate. Okay, they come with a film on the acrylic, and you just need to take that film off. Easy enough to do. It's on both sides. They put this on in the cutting and the manufacturing part of the product. Okay, and they're clear so that you can see your fabric behind it. They have a seam allowance, so these dots here are the seam allowance dots, so that when you're marking your fabric, you lay it down, you can get your disappearing pen and mark the dots for your seam allowance, and then get your rotary cutter and just cut around your fabric. Now I bought these because I thought they were going to be really fun to make bigger hexagons, and I liked that. So we will have a go at this, and I think I'll put these two together in a project for one video, and then we will have a look at the darning loom in a separate video. All right, so these are my 3 products that I got today. I usually get around 6 products, but I thought, oh, I might put a bit more into some different things. So yeah, this one's going to be fun to do. I've never tried this, but I've always been interested in it. So they are my 3 products today. And I hope you will come back and watch the 2 future videos showing how I use these products. They will be a week apart. Yeah, so if you're interested in any of these, all the product links for what you've seen this morning will be in my description box. You can follow them through to Beebeecraft and check them out. These are just awesome. These are beautiful, really nice quality and everything. So I'm looking forward to having some more crafty play with these products. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these, and go over and check Beebeecraft out. You won't be disappointed. They have oodles of things to look at and buy in Beebeecraft. And I will see you soon for the make videos of these with these products. So enjoy your weekend, and I will see you for a new video soon. Bye.